Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness is pledging greater investments and an improved way of life for the people of Black River St. Elizabeth as the government works to rebuild the area. Speaking at the symbolic New Year's celebration in the hurricane-ravaged town, Dr. Holness also promised that by the end of January, at least 90% of communities in the parish will have electricity and water. For the first time in months, a celebration in Black River St. Elizabeth. The government, through the Urban Development Corporation, bringing New Year's Eve cheer to the thousands of people here who have been reeling from the impact of Hurricane Melissa.
Long time we don't see this, long time. I don't know since Melissa mashed up the place and thing. Come out to come celebrate and have a good time.
The house should fix, but what I'm very proud of is that I could come out and enjoy myself through the storm, blow down my house, and I'm proud of this to enjoy myself.
Many of these people told TVJ News that depression has been rife in Black River since the hurricane, and many people have very few avenues to cope. And so, the New Year's Eve celebration is a well-needed relief.
You know, most people sad, and then now get over all of what Melissa really did to them. So all this little excitement going into the new year would be good for them, would put a cheer and a smile on their face.
And if Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness follows through on his plans, more people could be smiling by the end of the month.
Tomorrow, we will welcome a barge with more equipment and more linesmen who will be focused on these areas to restore electricity. We will begin in the main towns. Then we will move to the main thoroughfares, and then very quickly thereafter into the far and remote areas.
He said by the end of January, 90% of those areas will have electricity. And soon after, Dr. Holness explained that water will be restored in most communities in the parish. And in terms of helping people to rebuild their homes, Dr. Holness said an assessment is being done to ensure the people who need it the most get assistance. However,
for all the trying people who are doing it on your own and not waiting for government, I commend you, I applaud you, I encourage you. Do what you can.
Overall, he emphasized that more investments will be made in the parish, especially in Black River, as the government works to build back better after Hurricane Melissa.
This is an opportunity to rebuild Black River, not the way it was, but to rebuild Black River for the future, to be able to provide you with a better opportunity for prosperity and success in your life, but to be able to withstand the storms of the future, which will no doubt come again.